Welcome to Americana Chinese International School, where academic excellence meets social responsibility. ACIS is a member of the Ambassador Education Group. We strive to provide a holistic learning environment that prepares students for success in the 21st century. ACIS focuses on English and Chinese language proficiency. Our school follows the American Common Core standards, ensuring a high-quality education for students from pre-K all the way up to grade 12. All classes are taught in English by certified native English-speaking teachers. Small class sizes guarantee a personalized learning experience and paves the way for individual growth and success. We go beyond the traditional education with our unique STREAM program. Students receive comprehensive instruction in science, technology, robotics, engineering, arts, and mathematics, and they apply their knowledge to solve real-world challenges. For those needing extra support in English, our English Acquisition Language Program ensures that every student can thrive and fully participate in the learning experience. Our dedicated Chinese educators promote language fluency and cultural appreciation through daily Chinese classes. Did you know that we're an official testing center for HSK and YCT Chinese language proficiency exams? Students at ACIS experience the richness of Thai language and culture with 2 to 5 periods per week dedicated to fostering cross-cultural understanding. ACIS alumni are making their mark on the global stage with the unique advantage of trilingual education. We cultivate a community service mindset, preparing our students to make a positive impact as highly skilled professionals on a global scale. Education at ACIS extends beyond the classroom. We organize various events throughout the year, promoting language, culture, and self-expression. Our students graduate not only academically prepared, but culturally enriched. At ACIS, we place a strong emphasis on the holistic development of both body and mind. We proudly participate in the CMAC, an athletic competition for international schools in Chiang Mai. Our students immerse themselves in a variety of sports, gaining valuable experiences in sportsmanship and teamwork. Your child's safety is our priority. ACIS is equipped with CCTV cameras, providing a secure environment. Our certified nurse, nutritionist, school counselor, and health officer ensure the well-being of every student. Join ACIS, where knowledge, culture, and innovation converge. Experience education beyond textbooks with project-based learning, language proficiency, and global citizenship at our core. At Americana Chinese International School, we spark inspiration. Enroll today and let your child's journey to success begin.